Valorant Tearing Fix. So if you want to fix the Valorant tearing, then the first step is to enter the resolution in the search box. So open up the Windows and then search for resolution. And here you will have changed the resolution of the display. Click on that, and here it will take you to the display resolution. Right. So under the display resolution, you need to simply scroll down and go for advanced display. And under advanced display, you need to choose the option 60 here. And then you need to go for display adapter properties for display 1. And this kind of interface appears. You need to go for list all modes. And we will have the options to choose any available options right here. And once you've done that, click on apply and then click on OK. And once you've done that, now the second step is you need to enter game mode on your settings. And here you will have game mode settings. Open up the game mode settings and you need to toggle this off. Once you toggle off, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the third fix is you need to right click on your Valorant service. And once you right click on that, you will have properties option. So for example, I'll be doing that thing with my Steam. So I don't have Valorant, so I'll be showing you an example. So if you have Valorant, simply right click on your Valorant and then go for properties. Once you're on the properties, you will have this kind of interface to your Valorant. And here you need to go for the compatibility option. Under compatibility, you need to choose an option which is disable full screen optimizations. And you need to click on apply and then click on OK. And the last fix is you need to search for Win. And once you've searched for power here, under the settings, you will have choose a power plan. Click on choose a power plan and you will have this kind of interface. And here you may have an option of show additional plans. And under show additional plans, you will have an option of high performance. Simply choose the high performance. And once you've done all of these settings, you just need to restart your device. And once you've restarted your device, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Valorant tearing fix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.